Welcome back, you guys. Welcome to episode 11 of Subway Surfers. Welcome to Space Station. The world tour is out of this world. Blast through the final frontier and expand your robot group. Wait, excuse me. Let's go! Green buddies. Claim reward. Got it. Get 3 blue keys. Oh, it's this slug thing again. Okay. Oh. No. Okay, there we go. Now, today's multiplier bonus. It's Thursday, yes. Let's go. Ooh, we're being chased by a robot now. We're out of the Christmas season now because Christmas is already over. Ooh, look. The barriers look nice. They look futuristic. Even the trains look futuristic. Also, the music sounds sort of electrical. Oh, and instead of snowflakes, we get these. Oh, a P. Prince. I even like how these traffic lights look. I think I'm really enjoying this part today. Ooh, and this is a nice tunnel. R. I didn't see that coming. I wonder where the power-ups are. Wow. Now here's a cool futuristic spot. And there's a pogo stick. Finally. Let's get the 2-star. Oh. And this looks like our second one of those. C. Pogo stick didn't see that coming. E. Oops. The robot's chasing me again. I think that cop changes disguises for each world tour. Jetpack! Magnet. Got the magnet. Oh, okay. Um, uh, that was just too easy. Good job. This, oh, right. Scaredelly. Not just coins. 13 of precious stereos. Alright. Okay. That'll just have to wait. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe for more. Bye.